Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how I made this tasty, cheesy leek and potato pie. I'm going to start by slicing 2 medium-sized leeks. Next I'll slice 1 onion. So in this pan I've melted 50 grams of butter and I'll add to that the sliced onions and well washed leeks. I've got the leeks and onions under a medium heat. I don't want them to colour, I just want them to cook till they're really soft. I'll put a lid on and stir occasionally. This should take a good 10 to 15 minutes. In the meantime, I've got a pint of milk warming under a low heat. I'm using a dairy-free, unsweetened oat milk. Cow's milk would be fine as well. Peeled and chopped 2 medium-sized potatoes into cubes and I've given them a quick wash, added some water and some salt, and I'll allow them to cook for 8 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes the potatoes are not falling apart, but I am easily able to put a knife through it. I'll take them off the stove and drain them. My leeks and onions are lovely and soft now, and I'm going to add 2 cloves of chopped garlic. Next I stir in 1 heaped teaspoon of dried thyme. Throw in 1 bay leaf. So now I'm going to stir in 50 grams of all-purpose flour. I'll make sure that the flour is properly stirred through. Once the flour is stirred through, I start pouring in the warmed milk. Once all the milk's added, I'll add 2 teaspoons of mustard. After giving it a good stir through, I'm going to add 50 grams of strong cheese. Next I'll stir in the drained potatoes. Once the potatoes have been stirred in, I'm going to season really well. I keep tasting until I'm happy with the seasoning. I'm adding plenty of black pepper and salt. And I'm grating half of a fresh nutmeg. As I've said, I keep adjusting the seasoning until I'm happy with it. Once I'm happy with it, I'll take out the bay leaf, set it off the heat and allow it to cool. So while the filling is cooling down, I'll make a start on the pastry. I'm going to be using half fat to flour, and I've measured out 340 grams of all-purpose flour and a big pinch of salt into my bowl. And I'll just use my hand quickly just to mix the salt into the flour. Now I've added 170 grams of very cold butter. I've diced the butter up so it's just easier to rub into the flour. And here I am just literally pinching the butter into the flour with the tips of my fingers. So there we go, the butter's rubbed into the flour now. It doesn't matter if there's a few lumps of butter. Now I'm going to add some cold water, a little at a time, just to form a dough. I don't want it too sticky, just enough for the dough to come together easily. There's enough water in there now and the dough's forming together really easily. I'm just going to wrap some cling film on top and pop it in the fridge for about 30 minutes to rest. Okay, so I've heavily dusted my work surface and rolling pin, and I'll make a start on rolling out this pastry. I took the pastry out of the fridge about an hour before I needed to use it, so it's nice and soft. I'm just going to cut the pastry in half because I'm going to make one pie. After rolling a couple of times, I keep lifting and moving the pastry around into the flour so it doesn't stick to the surface. I'm using a foil pie dish, as you can see, and I'm just going to press round the edges, making sure that there's no air pockets and the pastry is flush round the sides. Then I'll load my cheesy potato leek filling. And then I'll trim the excess pastry off with a sharp knife. I've already preheated my oven to 200 Celsius. Now that I've trimmed the excess pastry, I'll set it to one side and start rolling out the top. Before putting on the pastry top, I'm just going to brush around the edge with some beaten egg. And again, just like the bottom, I'm going to smooth the edges down, making sure there's no air pockets and it's pressed well into the sides. Once the pastry is all flush to the sides, I'm going to trim the excess pastry with a sharp knife. To crimp the edges, I'm just going to be pinching the pastry between my thumb and fingers. And I'll make 3 incisions on the top with a sharp knife before brushing with beaten egg. I'm going to bake for between 40 to 45 minutes at 200 Celsius. Smells delicious, and as you can see, it's lovely and golden brown, and that took 45 minutes. I did cut my pie while it was really hot. If I'd allowed it to cool down a little more, the filling would set a little and not be quite so runny. As always, the full list of ingredients and measurements will be in the description box below. So there it is, delicious cheesy leek and potato pie in a deliciously light flaky pastry. I really do hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. For more delicious recipes like this, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Take good care of yourselves and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.